Okay, so saw strop for our rear handle. This is just an endless sling. Been at one end, and I've tied a little overhand knot, maybe 12 inches down from the end. So through the handle twice. And I pass the other end through, just choking it off. Whenever I do that, I make sure that the knot has come through. See, the knot's there. So I've got like a little tiny loop here now between the knot and the saw handle. And I put a short clip carabiner in that side, which keeps it loaded for the side of the harness, and this for the rear. That way it can't roll down and grab the throttle. Functional.